Hi guys, hope you guys have been good like I have been. So you guys have probably saw the video title about you making money selling t-shirts, and you probably thought I was joking. No guys, I was not. Yes. Today I'm going to teach you how to sell free t-shirts online. So guys, this is how we going to do it. First we going to print t-shirt with famous celebrity face on it. Next go to they fan and then start selling those t-shirt on they fan page. So guys, the first celebrity we will take is Billie Eilish. We all know how in love a Billie Eilish fan with her. They even do some crazy things. So what we going to do, get a good picture of her. So we going to go to her Instagram account, check for some photos, and then I'm going to take the one that I like. After that I'm going to crop it to make it look nice and professional. So now guys, I'm going to head over to a site named Teespring. Now Teespring is a website that lets you create t-shirt for free. All you have to do is bring buyers to start earning profit. So I'm going to sign up, just put my business name and email and strong password, and then I will receive a email saying I must confirm my account, and then it going to direct me to it front page, where I will choose which stuffs do I want to design. So I'm going to click on the plus sign on the down middle, and then it is going to take me here where I will decide which one I'm going to create. I'm going to choose the apparel that were the t-shirts, so then I'm going to go for all apparel. Guys, don't choose the woman or man t-shirt because you don't know what gender would be your buyers, and then you would then choose which quality t-shirt do you want. I prefer you go with cheapest one so you can make lot profit. So I'm going to choose this one and click on design. And then you will be given an option of design or add image. You're going to just add image, add the image, and then you can choose which color goes for you. Not guys, you don't have to choose the t-shirts I caused. You can choose long sleeves, hoodies, and all type of clothes after design. So guys, I will choose all the colors I think they cool and the ones that go with the photo. So guys, please keep on creating nice photo. Just keep on watching me creating the t-shirt so you can learn about how to use this website. Please guys, stay tuned till the end of the video so you can learn. To the back of the t-shirts one, and you will decide which photo you will add at the back. You can just add like what she usually say what she calls her fans. So guys, just learn from us. We are creative clothes. After designing, you can save it and get your link that will direct the people to this page. WGEN, you have the link. Then go to Facebook, check Billie Eilish fan group and then join all of them, and when you are approved to post, just write, "Are you really Eilish true fan?" Then prove that by getting this Billie Eilish t-shirt on the link, and then the people who will have click on the link and bought you will profit. Not guys, if you have at least $10, then go to Instagram pages, ask for promos. Promos actually get you real buyers. You can go to Billie Eilish fan page, ask the runner of the page if they do promos, and then you can pay for promos. So guys, if you don't get any sales with Billie Eilish, don't worry, because we are going to do it again, but with Lady Gaga. You guys probably know how Lady Gaga's fans love her, so we're going to go to her Instagram account, check for some photos, and then choose the one that I like. Then I'm going back and I'm going to crop it, and then I'm going to download an app called the Lightroom so I can add nice texture on the photo. When I'm done, I'm going to save it and go to a website named Teespring, and then log in with my username and password, and then press on the plus on the down middle, and then it going to take me here ABD. Then I will choose what type of things I will be designing, and then I will choose apparel because it has all the t-shirts and hoodies, and also going to pick all t-shirt. Please don't choose on male or female t-shirt because you don't really know if the buyers will be man or woman. SSO, just go with all t-shirts, and then you will have to choose which t-shirt you love, and then please choose the cheapest one so you can at least make some good profits. And then when you have chosen the t-shirts and start designing, just press on the upper left corner where you can add the Lady Gaga image you've been creating, and then add it on the t-shirts and choose which color you like, and then get your buying link, and then go back to Facebook to her fan page's Instagram to write a post that you think would be attractive to her fans so that they can buy all these t-shirts. Guys, another thing, it doesn't have to be the celebrities I recommended. If you know the celebrity you love have many followers, then print her t-shirts. Wishing you guys nothing but luck on these websites. Hope you can get sales.